Hey, here's the second video. This one involves time, and we don't want to take too long. The first thing you need to know is that hours are separate from minutes. So it's always good to take the colon and split it into two parts. Another good thing to remember is how many hours versus how many minutes. And I like to roll my 60s. So in 1 hour, or 2 hours, or 3 hours, I know that there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, so 6, 12, 18. Alright, I noticed that this time is written incorrectly because 560 is not a real time. So, but I do know that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So I'm going to say, okay, well if I have 60 minutes and I subtract 60 minutes, that'll give me no more minutes on this side. So I know this is actually going to be 0 minutes on this side. But because I took 60 minutes away, I need to add it over on this side. So this is actually 6. And this would be considered 6 a.m. Okay? Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. This time I have 125. Well, I noticed that I can get 2 hours out of that. So if I take 125 and I subtract 120, I get 5 minutes left. I took away 2 hours, and I'm going to put it over here in this section. Alright? Now, since this has 5 minutes left, I'm going to go over here. I know that 19 plus 2 is 21. Well, I got one side that's right, but I got 21 that's wrong. This is military time. So what you have to do is count up from 12. Or you can subtract by 12. Remember to regroup. That means this is 9 o'clock. And that makes sense because if you go up from 12 and count on your fingers, you'll get 9 until you get to 21. So we know this is going to be 9 colon, and I'm going to put a 0, 5. Because I had to subtract 12 on this side, this is going to be PM. This is at night. On this side, I noticed that 100, I can only get 60 minutes out of this. So I'm going to subtract 60 minutes. And I'm going to give it to the hours. And I'm left with 13. I noticed that 13 is above 12, and it's above 12 by only 1 hour. So this is going to be 140. Is it going to be AM or PM? It's going to be PM because it's after 12. Alright, enjoy the practice.